Transforming broken furniture into artistic home decor is more than just a creative hobby. It's a heartfelt journey of rediscovery, imagination, and craftsmanship. When you pick up a cracked table leg, a damaged cabinet door, or a chair that no longer holds weight, what you're really holding is a piece of history waiting to be reborn. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor. In this video, we are taking you on a deeply inspiring journey through the art of transforming damaged furniture into breathtaking decor pieces that can uplift any space, from cozy living rooms to modern entryways, rustic kitchens, and stylish bedrooms. In today's world, where sustainable living and meaningful decor ideas matter more than ever, turning forgotten furniture into fabulous artistic masterpieces has become one of the most rewarding DIY experiences. At Kuki Decor, we celebrate that magical moment when an old, discarded piece suddenly reveals its hidden beauty, reminding us that even the most broken things can be transformed with love, creativity, and vision. These ideas don't just beautify your home, they give new life to materials that otherwise would be wasted, proving that creativity truly has no limits. Imagine opening your storage room, backyard, or garage, and instead of seeing useless old furniture, you suddenly see potential. A cracked tabletop that could become a bold geometric wall art piece. A broken chair that could be turned into a plant stand full of charm, or an old bed frame that could be transformed into a statement headboard or even a hallway organizer. The beauty of working with broken furniture is that it sets you free from perfection. You are no longer decorating with flawless pieces, but with character, texture, and raw authenticity. Every dent, crack, and distressed surface becomes part of the story. And that is what makes artistic home decor so powerful. It doesn't hide imperfections, it celebrates them. This transformation process begins with imagination, but becomes even more exciting as you start experimenting with wood stains, textured paints, resin accents, metal brackets, rope details, natural finishes, or even bold artistic strokes that turn each piece into something truly one of a kind. As we explore these creative ideas together, you'll discover how simple techniques can lead to stunning results. For example, a broken drawer can be repurposed into a rustic shadow box shelf, perfect for displaying mini plants or vintage pieces. A damaged coffee table can be cut down and transformed into a compact, modern side table with a fresh coat of paint. Even fractured cabinet doors can be used as bases for abstract art panels or farmhouse-style message boards. One of the most inspiring parts of upcycling broken furniture is how adaptable the process is. You can follow your own style, whether you prefer boho chic, modern minimalism, rustic farmhouse, industrial charm, or eco-luxury design. The possibilities are endless, and each transformation becomes a personal expression of artistry and intention. At Kuki Decor, we believe that your home should reflect your spirit, your creativity, and your values, and nothing does that better than one-of-a-kind pieces you've lovingly created from reclaimed materials. If you're enjoying this kind of creative content and love discovering new ways to turn old wood and broken furniture into artistic decor, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor. We bring you daily videos filled with beautiful upcycling inspirations, rustic designs, reclaimed wood ideas, eco-friendly decor, and stylish transformation projects. Your subscription not only supports our channel, but also helps us continue sharing these innovative ideas with creators and home decor lovers around the world. So, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's continue unfolding the magic of transforming broken furniture into artistic home decor masterpieces. When you begin working with damaged furniture, one of the most exciting parts is discovering unexpected uses for parts that seem completely useless. A chair backrest with missing slats can become a jewelry organizer frame. A cracked table leg can become the base of a sculptural lamp. Even splintered wood pieces can be sanded, shaped, and assembled into artistic wall hangings or mosaic-style accent pieces. The key is to allow you the freedom to experiment. Think like an artist, not like a furniture repair technician. Instead of bringing a piece back to its old form, you are reimagining it into something entirely new. Something that carries a deeper sense of artistry and emotion. That's why so many people fall in love with upcycling. It's therapeutic, expressive, and endlessly rewarding. One of the most visually striking ways to repurpose broken furniture is to use natural textures to your advantage. Cracked surfaces can be enhanced with dry brush painting techniques that highlight every groove and imperfection. Rough edges can be softened but not erased, retaining the raw beauty that gives rustic decor its charm. Even peeling paint can become a design element when combined with farmhouse or shabby chic styling. A damaged wooden panel can be sanded partially to reveal multiple layers of age, creating a gorgeous weathered effect that modern decor stores often try to imitate. But what you create at home has authenticity that cannot be bought. Another powerful transformation technique involves blending broken wood pieces with modern artistic materials such as epoxy resin, metallic accents, or textured plaster. For instance, a cracked tabletop can be turned into an extraordinary resin art board, where the cracks are filled with shimmering resin that looks like flowing water, molten gold, or even galaxy-inspired textures. Not only does this preserve the original shape of the wood, but it elevates it into a luxury decor piece that becomes a true centerpiece. Similarly, combining broken wooden slats with matte black metal brackets can create stylish industrial shelves with a minimalist yet edgy look. Broken furniture parts combined with natural materials like jute rope, bamboo, or tree branches can also produce unique hybrid decor pieces that blend modern creativity with organic charm. As you work on your projects, you'll notice how every transformation deepens your appreciation for craftsmanship and sustainable living. You begin to see the beauty in materials you once overlooked. You start imagining new possibilities every time you encounter something old or broken. You create pieces that are genuinely meaningful, pieces that tell stories, hold memories, and bring joy into your living spaces. Whether you display your finished items in your home, gift them to loved ones, or even turn this hobby into a profitable small business, the satisfaction of transforming broken furniture into art is truly unmatched. Many creators have turned simple DIY projects into income opportunities by selling unique repurposed decor items at local markets, online platforms, or boutique shops that value handmade craftsmanship. As we near the end of this transformative journey, remember that creativity does not need perfect tools or flawless materials. It thrives in the imperfect, the forgotten, the overlooked. Every broken piece of furniture you rescue becomes a celebration of sustainability, imagination, and artistic expression. That's why at Kuki Decor, we continue to share videos that not only inspire, but empower you to embrace your creative side and bring beauty into your home in meaningful, eco-friendly ways. And before we wrap up, here's another friendly reminder. If this video has inspired you and you want more daily decor ideas, creative transformations, and upcycling inspirations, make sure you subscribe to Kuki Decor. Join our growing community of creators who believe in giving old materials new life and transforming homes with style, purpose, and heart. Thank you for being here and embracing this journey. Now, let's continue creating beauty from the broken, designing art from the forgotten, and turning everyday objects into masterpieces that brighten our homes and our lives.